Djibouti all-in-one smart tempered glass screen protector cutting machine. Let's see how to cut iPhone 6s screen protector. Firstly, select the model. Select iPhone 6s. Select screen protector in 9H. And then it will show a picture of the iPhone 6s screen protector. This is cutting horizontally. If you want cutting vertically, you could select rotate 90 degree. Next is the positioning process. The positioning point is from upper left for this time. The purpose of positioning is for using the material optimally. After positioning process, select cutting, and then it will start cutting process.